In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-ups and redirects in Brave browser. If you're tired of websites opening unwanted tabs, displaying intrusive pop-up windows, or automatically redirecting you to pages you never intended to visit, Brave browser provides a simple setting that can help you regain control of your browsing experience. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of disabling pop-ups and redirects so you can browse the web with fewer interruptions and distractions. To begin, launch Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on that menu icon to open the browser menu. From the list of available options, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page where you can manage privacy preferences, security features, and various browsing controls. After the settings page opens, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a navigation panel containing several categories. From this list, click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Brave allows you to manage how websites interact with your browser and what permissions they are granted while you're online. Once you're inside the Privacy and Security section, locate and select Site and Shield settings. This area contains more detailed controls for website permissions and behavior. It allows you to customize how sites handle notifications, location requests, media permissions, and other features that can affect your browsing experience. Next, scroll down through the available options until you find pop-ups and redirects. When you see it, click on it to open the related settings. This feature determines whether websites are allowed to automatically launch new windows, create unexpected tabs, or redirect you to different pages without your approval. Inside the pop-ups and redirects settings, look for the option that blocks sites from sending pop-ups or using redirects. Select this setting to prevent websites from automatically opening unwanted windows or redirecting you away from the content you're trying to view. Enabling this restriction can make web browsing feel cleaner, more organized, and significantly less frustrating. It also helps reduce interruptions while reading articles, watching videos, shopping online, or working on important tasks. By limiting these unwanted behaviors, you can stay focused on the pages you actually choose to visit. Once you've selected the blocking option, the change takes effect immediately. There is no need to restart your browser or apply any additional settings. And that's it. You've successfully disabled pop-ups and redirects in Brave browser, creating a smoother, safer, and more enjoyable browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.